Do you know that a lot of vaginal infections and other health issues that you are getting to your body, it is due to kind of things that you are doing to your vagina? So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 things that we shall never do to your vagina. So I'm recommending you to watch this video from the beginning up to the end, because after watching this video, you will learn how to maintain your vaginal health and the series of things that you can do to protect yourself from getting unwanted pregnancy and sexual transmitted infections as well. So before we get into details, if it's the first time you are watching my video, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and tap on notification bell so that you won't be missed out whenever I drop something new on this YouTube channel. So now, without any further ado, let's get into details. Hello friends, welcome to International Media Call TV. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, in this video I'll be sharing with you 5 things that you shall never do to your vagina to prevent yourself from various vaginal infections and other sexual transmitted infections. So the first one, it is improper hygiene. While cleaning the vagina, it is essential, but washing the vagina with harsh chemical product or scented soap, it can upset the vaginal flora, leading to irritation, itchy, and even increase your risk of getting infections. Don't forget that the vagina is an amazing organ. It naturally cleans itself. All it needs is cleansing with only plain water. What you don't know is that improper personal hygiene, it disrupts the vaginal pH, leading to overgrowth of the bacteria in the vagina, which later tend to bacterial vaginosis or vaginal yeast infection that might need a serious medical attention. So that is why you shall learn how to wash your vagina properly. So if you want to learn how to wash your vagina properly, so I'm recommending you to check in the comment section. I have pinned link on my video where I have teach you how to wash your vagina properly without getting any infection after washing your vagina. Secondly, is engaging into unprotected sexual intercourse. So practicing safe sex is crucial because it can help to prevent you from getting unwanted pregnancy. Also, it can help to prevent you from getting a sexual transmitted infections and sexual transmitted diseases. So engaging into unprotected sexual intercourse can put you at the risk of getting HIV/AIDS, syphilis, and gonorrhea. So that is why I'm recommending you, before engaging into unprotected sexual intercourse with a new partner or unknown person, so I'm recommending you to use a condom or any form of barrier method of family planning. It could be either diaphragm or anything else, because this can help to prevent you from getting unwanted pregnancy and sexual transmitted infections. Also, if you have a multiple sex partners, I'm recommending you to keep getting a sexual transmitted infection screening after each 3 months, because this can help your healthcare provider to know if you have a sexual transmitted infections and start taking your medication as early as possible to prevent the problem from worsening. Thirdly, is using irritating product. So using irritating products such as tampon, pad, or any intimate wash that contain a harsh chemical, it can lead to allergy and irritation to your vagina. So don't forget that the skin around your vaginal area, it is too sensitive and susceptible to infection. So that is why using this kind of product that contain a harsh chemical, it can lead to bleeding and even a pain during engaging into sexual activity. So that is why you shall not wash your vagina with products that contain a harsh chemical or any intimate wash that contain a harsh chemical. The number 4, which is second to the last, is douching and the vaginal steaming. This practice, they involve use of water, douche, and herbal solution to rejuvenate or to cleanse the vagina. But this practice, they can be harmful to your vagina because they can disturb your vaginal flora more than your expectation. Douche can disturb your vaginal flora, leading to a chance of getting a bacterial infections and even increase your risk of getting a pelvic inflammatory disorders. Also, vaginal steaming, it can put you at the risk of burns and injuries due to the high temperature that involved during a vaginal steam. So it is essential to let your vagina maintain its natural equilibrium and avoid these harmful health practices that can put you at the risk of various health infections. The number 5, which is the last, is using unsafe sex toys or any kind of object to your vagina during masturbation. So using this kind of object like a cucumber or cassava or carrot or any kind of foreign things to achieve a sexual desire, it is not too good to your body because it can cause aberration and laceration, and sometimes it can even stuck inside your body. So I'm not recommending you to masturbate. So if you are kind of that person that was a sex toys to achieve a sexual desire, so before using it, I'm recommending you to wash it and to use any object that is designed specifically for a sexual purposes to avoid the complications that may happen to your vagina. So here we have come to the end of this video. If you find it helpful and educative, so I would like you to support us by commenting, liking, and sharing of this video to your family and friends. So I hope to see you in my next video.